Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Solana coin here. I decided to pick one coin, go over besides Bitcoin to make my case that Solana is not looking too hot in my opinion. Okay. Um, and I'm going to use Solana because Solana fundamentally wise, user wise, and sentiment wise, there's a lot more bullishness behind Solana. So I want to use this as an example to show you how Solana could be in a precarious situation, if you know what I mean, guys. Now, don't get me wrong. I like to be a bull, period. I love being a bull in any market, but I'm also a realist. Okay. So if the market's going to go bearish, I'm not going to insist on I'm going to be a bull and, be going through this, something like this. And being deceptive with myself and saying, oh, yeah, hey, ain't no big deal. So it's just, let's see, come right here. Oh, yeah, it dropped 66%. There you go. Bull market came back. And there we go. Bull market came back. And then here we're down here. Oh, bull market's back. And then a bull market's back. So a total drop of 96%. Can it go lower? It can, guys. So unfortunately for Solana. All right. So this is not the whole chart on Solana over here. I think it actually started down here probably like near 60 cents or 50 cents or something like that, guys. So the chart's over here, but that's neither here nor there. This is your peak, your fourth wave, your fifth wave. And then here's Solana over here. And now it's in this section, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the RSI data, okay? Now, do I think there's another pump with Solana? I do. I think Solana could be heading up to low 30s potentially, guys, in this area, okay? I do think there's another pump coming for Solana. But the first thing that I'm noticing is the simple moving average on Solana. Came up, tested it, went back down, went above it, and then there's a potential it could come back down and go under it again. And maybe it's going to go sideways. So that remains to be seen. But here is your tell on Solana, okay? It's going to go back up, all right? If this RSI in this section, it doesn't come out and take that out over there, you're going to have, you have your tell that Solana is in a counter trend move. Okay. That's if perhaps, right? So it's got a little bit more upside, in my opinion, in this area, probably 36. There's no upside targets on that. I don't want to get anybody's hopes up, but I would say into the 30s potentially, guys. But your tell is right here. That this is potentially a counter trend move on Solana, guys. Okay, like this. Here's a wave, a B wave potentially, and here's probably going to be another wave like that. And you just take that off like this, guys, and ABC. It doesn't come out perfect, obviously, but you would go like this, right? Okay, A, B, C, move. Now, to get more confirmation that I'm wrong, is you're going to need to see Solana do this, get back up there, correct that cycle over there, and then get back up there again, like that, guys. And then you can see a consistent pattern of higher highs and also lower lows. Okay. So that's how I'm looking at it with Solana. Now, the overall picture, too, that is also concerning with Solana, okay, is this leg, and then this is correcting this leg, potentially, all right? So if I take a logarithmic retrace, where is it at? So 38% right now on logarithmic on the daily, and that's actually quite weak for a counter trend move, guys, but maybe boom, boom, and then a 50, which would be at 45. Okay. If Solana gets up to $45, I'd be like, okay, maybe we can work with something over here. But until then, guys, it's not looking great for Solana, guys. It's not. So now I'm going to take this move. You see this move here? Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a 5-wave move? Is it? I get 5 waves out of it. And is this a counter trend of that move, guys? Like this? Is it? If you're not considering that in this asset, I don't know what to say. You know, the Moo Boys, man. You know, I'm just wondering about Solana here, guys. Like, it's just not looking too strong, guys. It's not looking too strong. What's the? I don't think the 2-day algos. I get 2-day algo hit. Two-day algo projecting down to $5, guys. Now this is not 100%. It's not 100%, but it does seem to look like that. Got a projection here, boom, maybe up to that area, and then retrace back down, guys. So I think, in my opinion, if it was me, you want to get my personal opinion, not financial advice on Solana. You see numbers into the 30s and it gets up into 40s. I think it's going to be time to exit Solana, guys. Even worst case scenario, I'm wrong. Okay, I'm wrong, and you see Solana get up to these numbers near $40, right? And you do an exit. You know, you could pick it up on a retrace and you could say Solana may be doing a move like that. Okay. So that's how I look at it, guys. I mean, just basic what's going on in this section. This section on Solana, man, that's not a good look, guys. That's not a good look, but you know, assets can do anything. And this is supposed to be one of the, I would say, more bullish cryptos, probably, you know, out of the top 50 cryptos. This is the one that has the best sentiment, more people bullish on it. You know, I don't say, and it's testing the 200 SMA. Let me check the weekly. Check the weekly chart here. All right, you got the 9 SMA that's coming in, test that 40. It crossed through it, and it looks like it's working on the 21. So there's a potential here for more of an uptrend, possibly. And let's see on the weekly. It's not going to be a good look down here, guys. So here's the trend, back down, trend, correcting it, probably up a little bit more potentially, guys. It's not looking good. All the evidence is pointing towards a counter trend rally on Solana, guys. It's pointing towards a counter trend rally. Where's it going to end? 30, 40, $45 or something like that? That's what it's pointing towards. I don't know what else to say, man. Just be careful. You know, if it gets up into those areas, me personally, not financial advice, I'd be exiting out of Solana, because Solana could easily be doing a correction. Now, that's not to say that Solana's going to go this deep again. You know, I mean, if it's a strong asset, you might have a room and it's going to do a counter trend and just might go like this or something like that. Not that long. It just might come back down here, maybe test those lows or something like that. But even then, if you got a $40 and you're writing it down like that, dude, that's a 60% drop right there, guys. That's another 60% drop right there. Okay. Even if it comes back down to those lows from the highs up there at $39 back down to there, 63% drop, guys, again, you know, and somebody just said on Twitter that these things can't go down 60%. 60%. Really? Really? I mean, from this peak right here to there was 54% drop. 54% drop, guys. So I'm not too enthused with Solana. Like I said, man, I'm a Solana, like this right here, that's a clean chart looking good. And then this is actually fairly clean. And now we're getting into a mess in here. On the daily, let's go to the daily, look at these SMAs. You know, it's looking like, you know, you got a bullish cross there. It doesn't, you know, maybe in this section right here, you got another pump on Solana, because it does look like you got a 1, 2. Okay, yeah, third wave peak, that's all the way down. So it does look like you have another shot with Solana right here. Boom, 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 boom. Up into the 30s, potentially, guys, with an entry at 21 up into the 30s, potentially on Solana. And then on the daily chart over here, let's take a look at what it would be doing with some fibs. Let's say there's the peak. Well, look at that right there. Here's a 1-to-1 over here at 43. Let me take that off of, put it on linear. It's already at a 1-to-1 on linear, guys. I already tagged it. So, you know, those could be potential targets too, guys. But I would say probably, you know, just getting some numbers here and just saying, it's already hit 2.618. That's pretty strong wave, you know. So $35 potentially, guys, you know, is right now looking like a maybe, in my opinion, with Solana. So, you know, like I said, guys, you know, you be careful this right now in the crypto space. You know, it's not even at a 50% retrace of this leg. I think I've checked it. It's not even at 50% yet. It's at 382. It's not at 58%. So it broke down from its fourth wave area, but that's to be expected. Solana had some issues with it because the FTX thing. I'm saying a counter trend rally, guys. I'm saying the odds are a counter trend rally right there of this leg. Counter trend, and then it can come back down. So more than likely, guys, that's what it's pointing towards. You know, the only the argument at this point, like I said, needs to get up there, correct, and needs to, you know, another higher high, get past there, get another higher high, and then another one over here, and then maybe you got something argument over here that Solana could start taking off in that section, guys. But until then, I would exit on a pump. Not financial advice. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.